This is really, really difficult. I've got no room to work, so just bear with me, please. This is Dorman 55157. This is the gas tank strap kit. We're going to be using that kit right there in the front. You can install the bolt going downwards above this frame. This is the front. Over here is the rear. When it comes to the rear section, I actually reused one of the studs that I originally took off the gas tank when I removed it. At the top, I have an M8 bolt with some Loctite holding it in. I did not use one of the gas tank straps. I didn't really think it was necessary for this rear section. What I'm going to do next is, notice how I have that harness loose. That'll give you a few extra inches to play with. I'm going to put the actual tank right here on a jack stand, transmission jack stand. We're going to jack it up, plug those cords in. The one on the left, make sure it's plugged in. Just when you think it's in, it's probably not in, so you really want to double check that and make sure that's installed. All right, next, once you lift up the actual gas tank, you're going to lift it all the way up. In the front, you're going to put your actual strap running across. You're going to push this section up, so that circle section right here, you're going to push it up all the way up. Once it's all the way up in place, you can get it started. Just get this started. Once you get this started, you'll be able to take your wrench, and you'll need a long socket. I think these are a 17 millimeter long socket from what I remember. Double check when you're doing this. You drive it all the way up. That's going to get this one section secured. Do it in the rear. Again, using this bolt, that's going to actually secure the gas tank. Then next, what we'll do is, by hand, you'll just be able to take the actual protector skid plate for the gas tank, and it'll be more or less the same thing. Push it up on, right here, get it started, and then put another one of these bolts underneath. I found this to be the most successful and easiest way to do this process. I know some people recommend to take the bolts upwards. I find that extremely challenging and difficult and unnecessary. This process recommendation that I'm giving you definitely will lead to success, and you'll find yourself not being as stressed out. Good luck.